power flash. Oh, nobody even can really see that this is a tornado. I mean, unless you see the debris, you don't know.
You're entering the circulation of a tornado. Please be careful. Turn around or stop.
Whoa, look at it rotating above. Get in there.
A weak tornado that may intensify. Please take cover.
There it is, right over the convenience store. Look at that.
All that circulation be careful here, tell me.
I know. Oh, look at the playhouse over there.
Oh, playhouse is gone. We're in it right now.
We're in the tornado. We're in a weak tornado. Oh, wow!
1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, there's rotation.
Funnel's right overhead. We got debris, condensation's not all the way down. Wow, it's right there. Keep going, Mark.
Okay, clear?
Yeah, clear. Oh, power flash, power flash. Not good.